Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, you need to install a third-party app. Here I'm using XRecorder. Go to Snapchat and swipe right to access the chat page. Now go to XRecorder and start recording. Come back to Snapchat and open the chat. Let the chat play and go back. Then you can stop recording. The chat won't show that you screen recorded. It will only be shown as opened. And that's how you screen record on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.